Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video I want to talk to you all about how to ensure that you are maximizing your Amazon affiliate payout. So if you've been following this channel, then you know that I talk a lot about multiple streams of income, how you can increase your revenue, and how to ultimately be able to live the life in your definition of success to the fullest. Well, along those lines, I mentioned that one of the ways that I generate income is through my Amazon affiliate account. And that's a really good way to generate income because I'm able to work it as much as I want, and I'm also able to collect like passive income if I don't work it. So what I mean by that is, let me quickly explain what an Amazon affiliate is, or what the program is, in case you're wondering what I'm talking about. So just in a nutshell, there is an Amazon affiliate application that you can apply for. I'll try to find the link and link it down below. I'll also link my Amazon store below so that you can have it for reference. But you can apply, and if you're accepted, then you can post your link in various places, and whoever shops through your link, you'll get, if they purchase a eligible product, then you'll get commission for it. And I have opted to receive direct deposit, so it's like at the end of the month. I believe they pay like 3 months in arrears or something along that line, but I get paid through my bank account. You can also choose to opt in for a check. I believe the check, I think they take like a payment out or a portion out, or your amount that you've earned has to be at least like $50 or something like that for them to actually cut a check. But they have different ways that you can receive your payment. And it all starts with you applying for the affiliate program. I was accepted into the affiliate program, I believe, like a few years ago, and it's been working really well for me, except recently. So recently I noticed that my affiliate payout was getting lower, and I wanted to know why. So what I did was I went to my Amazon affiliate store and I clicked on a few of my links, because what I would typically do to maximize my payout is, if I'm recording a video, let's say for a cell phone case, I would add that cell phone case to my Amazon affiliate store. I would put the link below my video that I posted recording or going over that phone case. So if someone wanted to purchase, they could go ahead and click that link. And not only am I getting paid for the YouTube video, not only am I getting paid for the sponsor from the company that sent me the case, I'm now also getting paid for them clicking the Amazon affiliate link and deciding to purchase. So that's what I typically did, and it worked really well. But I noticed that my commission was getting lower. So again, it pays in like arrears. So I didn't wait until I got my deposit. I actually check each month in my like dashboard to see what I've made. And when I noticed that the amount was lower, like I said, I wanted to do deeper research. So I actually clicked on some of the items that showed up first. So I clicked on like a printer, one of the printers that I had in there. It's under my Amazon faves, business and faves playlist, or not playlist, but like Amazon list. So when I clicked on that, I noticed that it said not available, currently not available. So I clicked on a few other products. I think I clicked on like a phone case. It said currently not available. I clicked on some other things that I had in my list, and it said not available. So a lot of the links that I was using, they were no longer available due to like the Amazon seller changing their name, or that product not being available under that link for some reason. Maybe the product sold out, and it may say something on Amazon to the effect of waiting for this product or this product is currently out of stock, or it may say something just alluding to the fact that the product isn't available. So when people were clicking those links, of course, they're not able to purchase because those links are no longer active. So what I did is I went through my Amazon affiliate store and I made sure that all of my links were active. So I researched through Amazon the links for those products again, and I re-added them to my store. And immediately after I did that, I would say like maybe 3 to 5 days after I did that, I noticed a spike in my commission. So if you are wanting to get involved with Amazon affiliates, or if you have an Amazon affiliate account, go and check. I would do this. I'm going to do this now probably twice a month, but you want to check to make sure that your links are still active, because you may be promoting links the whole time that aren't active at all. The second tip that I would recommend is make sure that you're being consistent when you're posting, but you're also posting relevant links. So what I mean by that is, if you have your audience and you just got done talking about some hair products that you're using, that would be a great time to go ahead and post that link where they can purchase the hair products or read more about the hair products that you're advertising in your video or going over in your video. And it's relevant to the content that you're putting out, and be consistent on that. So mention it a few other times. Don't just post once and be done with it. Or you can do it in a way where you're consistently posting about different items in your store. It doesn't have to be the exact same one. So let's say you made a video last month and you talked about sunglasses that you loved. Go ahead and remind your supporters of that video that you created, and then share the link where they can get their glasses, or research more about those sunglasses, which is connected to your Amazon affiliate store. And just because you share your link doesn't mean that someone's going to purchase like that exact item. There's a chance, if you have enough items in your Amazon store to choose from, that they may choose. When I say they, I'm referring to like your supporters and people that watch your videos or people that click on the link. They may actually choose to try out a different product that you have in one of your lists. So you may promote the sunglasses, but they may go on there and see that you have a planner on Amazon, and they may be interested in it. So they may say, okay, let me go ahead and purchase the Amazon planner, and you'll get commission on that if it qualifies. So those are my 2 tips. Thing that I want to go over is title your list. So be sure to, and I wish I was more specific on this in the beginning, because I initially started off with just one list in my Amazon store, and it just said business and faves. So everything was thrown in that list. So if someone was looking to browse my Amazon store and look for certain items, it was hard for them to find, and it still may be a little challenging because I still have my Amazon faves and business in one, and then I have baby items from when I went over, like my pregnancy journey, and when I do videos showcasing different baby swings and bonnets that I may have in a video or something like that. So I have 2 lists, but if I was redoing it, and I probably will do this later on when I get more time, I would recommend making distinct lists. So have a list for hair products, have a list for skincare products, have a list for, and these are just examples, whatever you're going to have in your Amazon store, but have a list that specify what they're going to find in that list. So if you want to put like all of your YouTube features, like all of the products that you featured on your YouTube channel, make a list stating that, so that when someone goes to that link, they can know exactly what list they should go in to find what they're looking for. And that's going to help. It's going to help, I believe, generate way more successful sales from your Amazon link, because people in general don't have a long attention span, especially when they're online. I mean, there's a lot of research and study out there confirming that. So whatever you can do to make their process more seamless and streamlined is going to be in your benefit. So I would keep that in mind. So, you can maximize the Amazon affiliate commission. So those are my tips. If you have any other tips, feel free to leave them down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Please make sure that your post notifications are turned on. I wanted to get this video out while I can. Like I mentioned in some other videos, I have had a lot on my plate lately, and I always talk about in my videos, you have time for the things you want to have time for, right? And it's all about prioritizing and being able to balance your lifestyle, especially when you're an entrepreneur, when you're, running a family, when you're, working on different projects, when you have other commitments, you're still wanting to do things for yourself. There can be a lot to do. But I am letting you know that I am trying to, I'm not even going to try to, I am going to come out with content. I don't want to push off content or anything like that. So I'm going to have to record when I can record. So right now I have an opportunity where it's quiet. You're not going to hear my baby crying in the background or anything like that because I'm in the car and my baby is not in the car right now with me. So, I just wanted to get this video out like I mentioned. So go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.